Hi, this is Jason, Chief Technical Analyst with ToroAlerts, and today we're going to take a quick look at the S&P 500 chart, take a look at the SPY to see if it's a good time to potentially put a short on into the markets, short the S&P 500. So we did have a couple of technical breakdowns finishing up the week last week. We saw a close on Thursday where we broke down below this descending wedge pattern, and then we also saw a gap down on Friday to close the week out where we actually dropped below 390, which was a really key level of support that a lot of technical analysts are watching closely, and we did gap down below that and close the week out not only below 390 but also below our anchored VWAP indicator, which was sitting at about 385.95, and we did not get above that closing the week out on Friday. So things are definitely starting to look a bit bearish. However, I think there's a decent chance we might see a slight pop back up potentially to the 390. We might retest that 390 and see if that holds as resistance now, and then potentially head lower from there. But as long as we are below the 390 level, I think there is some shorting opportunities in the S&P 500, and for some downside targets we'd be looking at levels of the previous close in June, which would put us down to about 365 on the SPY. We also have another area of support right around 359, and then a third area of support around 354. So those are kind of the three bottom targets that I'd be looking at if you do put a short on the S&P 500, and just be watching price action to kind of figure out if we see any major bounce off of those levels, and then I'd probably close the short out. But things are definitely looking a bit bearish in the market right now. As long as we're below 390 on the SPY, I'd be pretty cautious overall about going long on too many stocks right now, and would be really looking more on the short side of things. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to download the ToroAlerts app on the App Store. We've got one for stocks and one for crypto. And give the video a like and a share. And we'll see you next time.